Hello, thank you for joining us for today's video on unboxing the MetiSmile. So you'll open the case and inside you will find a cleaning cloth, the quick start guide, and the quality control certificate. In this black velvet pouch, you will find the calibration board, the board is ceramic, so please be careful with it and also keep any debris or fingerprints off of the dots. We have our tripod, power adapter cable, our adapter, a box of teeth markers, the MetiSmile, and the relay box. You will also receive a dongle with the software preloaded on it. So when you receive your MetiSmile, these are all the components you will find inside of the case. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.